Now, there are 3 different types of debates. Okay? 3 different types of debates. I know this is a bit of an information dump at the moment, but just this is the only time we're covering this stuff. Okay? The first one is called a policy debate. Now, it's called a policy debate because some change is going to happen. So you're changing the law. All right? So because you're changing the law, you're changing a policy. So a set of instructions or guidelines. And you're going to know it's a policy debate because it will have the word should in the topic. 9 out of 10 times, a debating topic that has the word should in it will be a policy debate. There are exceptions, like there are exceptions for everything, but not very many. So generally, if there's a should in the topic anywhere, it's a policy debate. Let's just leave that there for the moment. Next one. Oh, and policy debates are the most common in the Premier's Debating Challenge. In fact, over the last couple of years, with the exception of maybe 1 or 2, all of them have been policy debates, which is another good reason to learn how they work and what you're supposed to do. Next. It can also be a comparison debate. So you're comparing at least 2 things. So it might be that takeaway food is better than a home-cooked meal. So you're weighing up the advantages and disadvantages of both. Cats are better than chickens. So, as in, you're comparing the advantages or disadvantages of cat ownership versus disadvantages of chook or chicken ownership, if there was such a thing. Exactly, and there's all those things as well. Cats just scratch your stuff, where chickens can give you eggs. And a cat will sit on you and you're able to pat it and will bring you love. And you can pat chicken and they will claw you. Last one, I don't really see any more. And they're called metaphorical debates. An example of that would be that we should eat the red ones last. Okay? That Big Macs rule the world. Okay? Big Macs rule the world. So a metaphorical debate it's not meant to be taken literally. So you're thinking about what are they meaning by that topic? That we should eat the red ones last. As in, well, what are the red ones and things like that. And so then you get to, it could be, well, hopefully it's to do with lollies. Yes. Now,
eat red frogs.
There used to be a lot of metaphorical debates in the Premier's Debating Challenge, but they've taken them out altogether, and that's a good thing because the affirmative team might be talking about one particular thing, and the negative team would end up talking about another particular thing. So, and you really don't have a debate. All then you have is one side presenting one line of argument, and the other side presenting another line of argument, and everybody's confused, and there's no debate. There's just 2 sides presenting information. And then the adjudicator goes, well, this was just a waste of time, because they had their ideas, and nobody was doing any debating. Everybody was just listening to each other. So we don't really have those anymore, but just to understand that they kind of exist, and we won't be doing any of those metaphorical ones. Unless we can agree on a topic to start with and what it all means, then you can have them. And I might even bring in red frogs, yeah. That's so not going to happen. Okay.